Hello, welcome back. In these videos, I'll be talking about assembly. So to start an assembly, click on Part, create new assembly. Okay, we have the assembly. Let me. Okay, good. So this is an assembly interface in SolidWorks. So to start assembly, click on assembly, insert component, then you browse. So we have our part here. So this is one of the parts. Click on it and then open. So come to the screen. The first part you import into your assembly will be fixed automatically. So to be able to move it around, click on it, right click and select float. So you can now move it around. To move it around, just left click and drag. Don't release the key, drag. So that's how to move around. To add more components, also click on insert component and then bring another component. So okay, so let me bring one more component. So to make it three. Okay, good. So we have three components now. And what we have options in the assembly tab. We have mates. So before I use mates, I will just explain how to move components and how to rotate components. To move component, just select this and then you can move your component around any one of them if it is not fixed. So once you are done, click this side. Then so and if you want to rotate your components, pick your components from there. Pick your rotate components from there and then you can rotate your components. So I'm done. I'm going to maybe make a slider assembly. So I need more components to be added to this assembly. So which I'm going to add now. So I will add this. I will add this and this, this. Okay, think that's all. Okay, good. Okay, good. So this is okay. I have more components to add today. So okay, good. So we have the components. All of them are here. So to assemble them, I'll start the assembly by clicking it. So I'll add coincidence relationship to most of them. So pick this edge and pick this edge. So coincidence relationship. So also pick this edge and pick this edge also. Oh no, I'm not picking face. Okay, next this edge. Okay, and this edge also. So you have okay, that has been added coincidence relationship. Also, we have this part. We have to position it here and also here. So we need two of this. So to copy this part, hold down your control key and click on it, then drag. So we have two of them now. So to position it, click this edge. Another way of creating your mate, instead of clicking mate, you can just hold down your control key, select the position you want to mate together, then click mate from the screen. So that's how to add your mate also. Okay, let me fix this so that okay, good. So I need to add mate to this side also. Okay, good. That made is almost it. I'm done with this. It cannot be moved around again. It's fixed. So I need to add mate to this side also. This side. Okay, bring this coincident mate. So that's that about that. So we have more components to add to this assembly. So now okay, okay, okay. This side, this edge, this edge, and thing. Okay, okay. Let me add this mate, this side, and this edge. Okay, so this is not what I want. I want to flip this mate, so I'm going to edit it. So come to this side, mate alignment. Good. So done. Okay, and this O and this rod concentric. So think okay, this pen is here. Oh, this don't need this part. I have to delete it. Good. So this part, this edge, and this edge coincident. So and, think I have a pin here. So this and this side concentric. So you can drag it up. Okay, leave it that way. And also this edge and this edge concentric. So this edge and also this edge add concentric to them. So now I think this is the we have the assembly. Okay, we are done. So okay, this assembly is done. Uh, let's say we want to edit a particular component and we have a component that we need to add little feature or more features to. So just click the component, edit this component. So okay, I have to save this. So let me save. Okay, okay, good. So now that means we are editing this part and this other part, nothing will happen to them. So this is the part, it will change to blue here, and you can then click on any surface and edit it. Probably you want to edit the thickness, let's say 10 to 20. Okay, so now it has changed the build, so it has changed. So well, I don't have problem with that thickness, so I'm going to undo it. So okay, this is not working. Okay, I'm going to change it to 10. No, 10. Okay, good. Um, that's how to edit a component in a model. So when you are done, check this. Or let's say you want to edit the component outside the assembly, just click the component and then you select open part. So and the parts will be open separately. Then you can edit it. These are the steps I follow to make this part. This is the first step. I made a sketch. So this is my sketch. This is the dimension in case you want to. This is the dimension, and then after this dimension, I extruded to 20 mm thickness. So you have it this way. This is it. So in case you want to assemble your own part also, and lastly, I added a hole of this parameter using O wizard. So this is it. I selected this type O, asymmetric drill, and diameter of the O 5 mm, and the depth of the O 5 mm also. So these are the depth of the O is, first change this to blind, and 10 mm. This is the diameter of the O. So that's the two features that I use to form this part. So I also open other parts and show you how to make them in case you want to model this. So open this part. Okay, there are few features too. So this is the first one. I extrude it, I sketch. This is my sketch. This okay. You have 20 here, 44. After this sketch, I extrude up to thickness, and the thickness is 280 mm. So after that, extrude cut the hole. So let me show you the dimension. So on this surface, 10 mm from this side and 20 mm from this side, diameter of 10 mm. Then I extrude cut to particular depth is through all the body, through all the body. So that's that about that. And the third step is cut extrude, sketch. Okay, we have the dimension 115. Diameter of the hole is 5 mm. Distance from this hole center to this hole center is 160 mm. Okay, I added the relationship to the center. Vertical point, vertical relationship to this center, and 5 mm from this side. So then I extrude cut up to depth of 10 mm. First select blind and 10 mm. So that's that about that. Then I created the plane, center plane. This plane, okay, is hidden. Let me show it. This plane at the middle. So to create the plane, just pick, use this side, and the other side as a reference surface. So a center plane will be formed and then mirrored. So I mirrored using the plane as the mirror plane, and I mirror the P features, these two features, this extrude cut. So that's 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 all about the base. And other parts that are there, we also show them in case. So to model this part, the wheel. Okay, so this I use just I think sketch for all these parts. So the first sketch is this bigger circle 80, the middle one 10, and the second one is 22. This O is 80, 32 from here, and there is a relationship at this point, which is this horizontal relationship. After this, then I extrude using contour. Select this contour and extrude 5 mm thickness. So that's that. Also, the next step is same sketch. I just select the sketch and I extrude using contour. This time around, I extrude using the center conductor. That's to 10 mm. And then lastly, also the same sketch. Just click the sketch and go to feature tab, extrude cut. So, and I also extrude using contour. So, through all to cut through all the body. So that's how to make the component also. And you also have think you also have this. So before that, this pen, let me show how it is being modeled. Okay, So the first step is to sketch just two holes, two circle, 140 and 10. Then I also use that same circle for everything. So the first one is using contour. Select this contour and select this contour. So you extrude, and I use mid plane. That to be at the middle. So that is, we have 8 here and 8 thickness here. So the next step is you also use same sketch, and then you extrude. But here I change the from surface. That is where the extrusion is going to start. I select and use surface or face or plane. So then I register this face as the starting face. Then I change this to blind from mid plane to blind, and then the thickness of 10 mm. And same thing to this, you use the same sketch, and then I change the starting surface to this surface, then 10 mm. So that's that. Okay. Yes. Okay, we have this component, three of them left, and this. So let me show this. They are similar. So this, uh, okay, I used one sketch for the three also. So this is it. Okay, let me show you the sketch first. Okay, 50, I mean 5, 8, 10. This three circle, and extrude using mid plane 5 mm, and I select all these contours, three, you see. Okay, so then the next one, also the same sketch but different contour this time around. So I also change the starting plane to this surface, select this and change it to blind, and add thickness of 5 mm. And lastly, same sketch, change the starting surface, select this, and add thickness of 10 mm. So that's how to make that part. Also, I have two more parts to show you how to make. The first one is this. I think this is just a step. Okay, two. The first one, which is this, you have this sketch, and then you have extrude up to 30 mm, and then we have an extrude cut. This is the dimension from here, 15 mm and 5 mm at the middle. Then you extrude cut up to 5 mm blind. So that's how to make that part. And this, okay, is just a method. Okay, we have the thickness of 5 mm and we have the dimension to be this 5, radius of 5, and this So inner circle diameter of 5, we have them equal 170 mm apart. That's how to make this part. And the last part, which is the pin, putting the slider and the rod together, which is this pin. Okay, we have a circle of 5 mm extruded to 16 mm. So that's that. And I think I have a rod here also to define, to show the dimension open. Okay, also okay, we have a rod of okay diameter. Okay, let me cancel it. I'm trying to okay good. So I made a mistake. 170 mm, and we have the diameter of the circle to be 8 mm, 8 mm, and we have the thickness or the height of the rod to be 170 mm. So that's the last part, and this will be the end of this tutorial. But before that, I can add simple motion to this assembly. So first disable this, then I'll add motor to this surface so that I can demonstrate how this mechanism will work. So it's the calculate button. You can see the slider moving. Then you can play your motion study. So thank you for watching. Kindly share, like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.